Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can gift games on Steam. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to gift games on Steam, all you need to do is simply select a game you want to gift, and then you need to now simply scroll down to your menu bar and tap on add to cart on the specific game. Then once you do this, you need to tap on purchase as a gift. After doing this as well, you will end up in this interface. So simply type in the name of the person whom you want to gift this game. Once you have selected that person as well, you can simply now choose a delivery time by tapping on schedule delivery. So by choosing schedule delivery, you will be able to schedule your delivery date of your gifting. And if you don't select it, then it will automatically send the gift as soon as you have paid for it. Then hit the continue button and then write a personalized note for someone whom you are gifting this game to. So after writing it as well, you can simply tap on the continue button, which will then allow you to be redirected to the payment section. After you have selected a particular payment, you will be all set as the game is now purchased as a gift on Steam. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.